I need to show you this because if this stops one horse from dying, then at least I will have done a good job there. You see, this week I started to run out of hay, which is inevitable for this time of year. And, well, I do what I always do and just ordered some more. And it was delivered yesterday. So today comes and I'm here again, as always, feeding the masses. And the hay felt different. Now, thankfully, I always have the small square bales because of this exact reason. And yeah, so if I show you this, you're not going to believe it. So as I split the bale, as always, I find a big piece of ragwort. Now, I know that's not uncommon, and that's why I prefer the square bales, and I prefer to not put round bales out in the field, because you never know what you're going to find in there. I find stones and all sorts. But this really is an exception. So as I carried on, I saw more pieces, and then if I just look down the side of the bale, you'll see these tube-like things. Now, they are actually ragwort stems, and if I give them a pull, look at that, ragwort. It's all the way through this whole bale, but that's not the worst of it. You see, I had 10 bales, and after splitting up this one, I found huge, great big lumps. Smaller pieces, look. And in the side of this bale, there's a huge chunk of it sticking out. So who knows how big that one is. Now, if I was someone that didn't check my hay, which is, let's face it, a lot of people out there, then I would have fed this directly to my horses. And ragwort is a huge killer in horses. It is highly toxic, it is highly poisonous, and it does kill them. And speaking from experience, it is one of the worst deaths I have ever seen in a horse. It was awful, and you don't ever get over that or forget that. Now, I did message the guy that I bought this off, and yes, he has agreed to come and get it back. But let's face it, there is no guarantee that this won't be fed to some other poor animal or sold on again to someone who is less knowledgeable and doesn't know what this stuff is. And yeah, I can't have that on my conscience. So the best thing that I can do is to literally just burn it. Burn it and all its little ragwort friends. You see, the thing is, this stuff won't just kill your horses, it'll also reseed your whole field and all of your pastures. So, yeah, the ragwort will live on through the seeds that are all inside this stuff. So the only thing you really can do is burn it. Burning it is the only way to truly eradicate it. So if there is only one thing that you do today, then please share this video with anyone you know that might have a horse, be interested in horses, just love horses in general, so that they can share this information also. So thank you for watching, and remember, always split your hay, split those bales, and check what it is that you're actually feeding your horses. Because let's face it, it could actually be a matter of life and death.